This is 3127 West L. Prado Boulevard, Tampa, Florida 33629. This is underneath the house. This is the farthest as I can go. You can see here everything looks to be good. We are now going towards the city. All of this piping is all good up to right up here at this Y. Okay, so all the piping is good up to right here, which as you can see over to the top left corner, you can see that this is a Y. The part that's to your right feeds, it's like a little house in the back yard that has, I believe, a full bathroom. This here is cast iron that needs to be totally replaced. As you can see here, you've got humps in it, and the pipe's not falling at all. And then this is city sewer.